Let me tell you a hard truth. Most Thailand trips don't fail because of bad hotels, food, or weather. They fail before the trip even begins, during planning. So, if Thailand is on your list, stay with me because one small mistake here can quietly ruin everything. So, how many places should you actually visit in one Thailand trip? This is episode 3 of my Thailand travel guide series. In episode 1, we talked about mindset. In episode 2, we talked about common mistakes. Today, we fix the biggest problem of all: how to plan Thailand the smart way. Thailand feels confusing because it offers too much. Cities, beaches, islands, nightlife, temples, food. Everything feels unmissable. So first-time travelers do what seems logical. They try to fit everything in. Bangkok in 2 days, Phuket in 2 days, Pattaya in 1 day, Krabi in 2 days. On paper it looks efficient. In reality, it's exhausting. This is what I call the checklist trap. You're constantly packing, checking out, and moving again. You don't remember moments. You remember airports, ferries, and hotel lobbies. If you're always rushing, when exactly are you enjoying Thailand? If this is already helping you, think differently about your trip. Stay till the end because the final rule I'll share changes how Thailand actually feels. Here's the shift that changes everything. Don't plan Thailand by cities. Plan it by experiences. Ask yourself, do I want city energy and food? Do I want beaches and relaxation? Do I want slow days and nature? Thailand gives you all of this, but not at the same speed. Here's the golden rule, and if you remember just one thing from this video, remember this: maximum 2 to 3 destinations in one trip. Anything more, and Thailand stops feeling magical. More places doesn't mean more memories. It usually means more stress. If this is your first Thailand trip, keep it simple. One city, one beach destination. Bangkok plus Phuket, Bangkok plus Krabi, Chiang Mai plus islands. Give Bangkok at least 3 nights, give beaches 3 to 5 nights. One night stays are travel self-sabotage. So how many places should you actually visit in one Thailand trip? 2, 3 if you are experienced. And anything more, and you're planning for photos and not memories. Thailand isn't about seeing everything. It's about slowing down enough to let the country show itself to you. In episode 4, we talk about Thailand nightlife. What's real, what's risky, and how to enjoy it without regret. Subscribe because this series is about traveling smarter, not louder. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please consider to hit like and share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, please enjoy yourself with whatever makes you happy. Take care.